Hi, this is Suchwala from Inside Print Communications. So today we have Mr. Wayne Tan with us from HP. He's Service Category Manager for APJ Region. Hi Wayne, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Same here. So Wayne, we wanted to understand more about, PrintOS from you and, how PrintOS can be very helpful to our existing HP Latex customers.
So PrintOS is a web-based tool that actually helps customers be more efficient. Within PrintOS, we have HP Learn, Live Production, and PrintBit. These tools will help customers monitor. So let me go into detail in PrintBit. What customers can use in PrintBit is they can actually go into PrintBit to see the past history of their job. They can do accounting. So in terms of job management, so let's say every job that they have, they will be able to see how much inks are being used. At the same time, in HP Learn, what HP Learn has is a collage of videos to help customers learn. Okay, I mean the word itself means learn, right? So what happens is, let's say if a customer has a new operator that comes on board and then they do not want to spend the time to get someone to train, they can send the new operator to go and take an online training first. And of course, if the customers has different needs, if they want to set up an e-commerce business, they can go in and have a look. At the same time, we also have something very interesting called sustainability. Right, so sustainability is very big in today's term. What we want to do is also put in the content into HP Learn where customers can learn how can HP help them grow their business.
Okay. That sounds interesting. So there are essentially 3 pillars of PrintOS, which are PrintBit. Then we have the second one is of course print production. That's correct?
Yep.
And the third is
HP Learn.
HP Learn.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. That's
so
good.
Good that you mentioned production hub. So it's actually production hub. We actually launched this very recently, and this is the tool that will help customers go to the next level, because we know the pain from all customers, right? So in terms of you've been to a lot of PSPs that we have in the field. In terms of order management, how do they take in a job? And these are all pain points that we see from the actual field in terms of customers' feedback, right? So actually we created a system for the customers to actually take in the job. So they have a field to fill up everything in. So in the past, how is it being done for most PSP is they use a pen and paper, they write it on the wall, right? So what we have now is everything online and everything is on the cloud. So imagine after doing a job today and maybe a few months back, and then you repeat the job again, you'll be able to go into the cloud, into your system, to actually retrieve the thing. At the same time, in Production Hub, you will be able to see live production, which means if you are out in the field or you're out at another customer site, someone calls you to ask, how's my print job? You'll be able to see it from your phone and see, what's the status of the job? These are all tools that we have to help our customers to be very, very efficient.
That's great.
Yeah.
And so my next question is, around Production Hub only. Can you, give us more detail about Production Hub, as in how Production Hub can be very helpful for the Indian customers?
So the point I mentioned earlier, so in terms of Production Hub, we have the order management tool. The other tool that I see that will help customer is live production. So live production, to me, to us, it's a remote control where you can actually put yourself, let's say if your customer is out in the field and he gets an urgent call, he has a request to print another job first. But of course, the job has to be queued in his system first, right? So he can pause the job that's printing now and then pull the job from the one behind all the way to the front, so he prints this first. Because imagine, in most of our customers, they have very tight timeline, and then every customer is calling, I want my job now. It doesn't make sense for him to go back to his office to do the change, right? So with this now, everything controlled through the cloud, he is able to control the print. So imagine after his appointment, he comes back, he just need to cut it out and do the finishing, and he can deliver.
And so this PrintOS Production Hub is subscription based, or how an existing HP user?
We value all of our customers, right? So what we have done is we have made a comprehensive plan. If you've signed on to our care pack, warranty, or AMC or contract in India, for example, you'll be automatically covered. So it's called the Plus plan. We give all of these PrintOS solutions to our customers.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
All right. So I think, that's it. These are the questions which I had for you. So thank you.
I have also one more thing to add. I'm sorry. So Yeah, so what happened is, as of today also, we will, or as of probably two more weeks later, we'll be able to offer PrintOS in Production Hub to all customers. So imagine customers that are not, they're not HP user, and they would like the order management tool. So this will be able to help them and get customers that are not with HP to try out in our infrastructure.
Oh, that's great. So if I'm not a HP user, I can still use the Production Hub, that's the order management software from the HP. Oh, that's great. That's great. All right. Thank you. Thanks, Ryan, for joining us. Thank you.